Sir, no? Ito ngayon, nakita ko yung certificate of candidacy niya eh. Hindi nyo. Well, nakalagay talaga, ano, talagang he's running for mayor ng Pasay City. So, ang daming complication eh. Well, with all due respect, ano, pero parang, paano may ko-comprehend itong denial niya na it will set a bad precedent naman siguro. I'm not a lawyer, no, and I cannot speak well on this, but I'm sure na kapag ito inalaw ito ng COMELEC, halimbawa ako, gusto ko tumakbo ng senator, magpapile muna ako ng ano ko, pwede ko i-substitute pagdating ng panahon. Pero I will still file a candidacy as mayor of Santa Rosa City. Baka lahat na lang ng tao ganun ang gawin. And then you choose on the right time para mag-substitute ka. I think hindi naman tayo dito para magpabebe tayo, no, na tipo bang lagi na lamang titingnan natin yung action niya na lagi tayo sa huli mag-file. I think this is not right and we have to set it. We are under the rule of law and we have to follow the law. Diba?